Welcome to AI in Content Creation. This comprehensive guide will walk you through how artificial intelligence is transforming the way creators produce, edit, and distribute content across all platforms. Whether you're a blogger, video creator, podcaster, or social media manager, AI tools can significantly enhance your workflow and help you create better content faster. Artificial intelligence in content creation refers to using machine learning algorithms and automated tools to assist in various stages of content production. This includes writing, video editing, image generation, transcription, and distribution. AI doesn't replace human creativity. Instead, it acts as a powerful assistant that handles repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on the strategic and creative aspects of your work. Using AI in your content creation workflow offers several key benefits. First, it saves significant time by automating repetitive tasks like editing and formatting. Second, it boosts productivity by allowing you to create more content in less time. Third, it improves quality by providing intelligent suggestions and automated enhancements. Fourth, it reduces costs since you won't need to hire multiple specialists for different tasks. Finally, it enables consistency across all your content pieces. AI writing tools help you create high-quality content quickly. Tools like GPT and Claude can help you brainstorm ideas, outline articles, write first drafts, and even optimize your copy for search engines. For research, AI can summarize long documents, extract key information, and help you understand complex topics. These tools are particularly useful for creating blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, and video scripts. AI-powered image and video tools enable you to create stunning visuals without needing expensive equipment or professional design skills. Mid-Journey and Stable Diffusion can generate original images from text descriptions. For video, tools like Runway can create short clips, add effects, and even generate backgrounds. These tools are perfect for thumbnails, social media graphics, promotional videos, and visual content that would traditionally require a professional designer or videographer. AI transcription tools convert spoken audio into written text quickly and accurately. Whisper can transcribe podcasts, interviews, and videos, making them more accessible and searchable. Text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs create natural-sounding narration for your videos and audiobooks. These tools are invaluable for repurposing content, creating accessibility features, and expanding your reach to different audience preferences. AI editing tools automatically enhance your content quality. They can improve grammar and spelling, suggest better word choices, adjust tone and style, and optimize for readability. Tools like Grammarly provide real-time corrections while you write. For video content, AI can automatically cut scenes, add captions, enhance audio quality, and even suggest the best clips to keep. These enhancements ensure your content is polished and professional. AI helps you distribute content strategically across multiple platforms. These tools can schedule posts at optimal times, automatically resize content for different platforms, and identify the best channels for your audience. AI analytics also track performance metrics, analyze engagement patterns, and provide insights into what resonates with your audience. This data-driven approach helps you refine your strategy and improve your return on investment. To get started with AI content creation, you'll need access to the right tools. For video editing, consider Vinci Resolve for free professional editing, Opus Clip for automatic short-form video creation, and Descript for caption generation and easy editing. For writing, use GPT for content generation and brainstorming, Jasper for marketing copy, and Copy.ai for social media content. For images, try Mid-Journey for illustration and design, Stable Diffusion for creative variations, and Canva AI for quick graphics. Remember, AI is a tool to amplify your creativity, not replace your voice. Automate the routine tasks wisely and with ethical intention. Always maintain your unique authenticity in your work. Prioritize quality over quantity in everything you create. Stay curious, test these tools responsibly, and remember that the best content combines AI efficiency with genuine human insight and heart. Your creative journey with AI starts today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.